Good morning, children. Let us continue with the lesson.
Class we saw a story about squirrel. So what does the lesson name? Yes, the lesson name is Tilluka Putta. So Putta means you all know corn. So once we'll have a small recap about this lesson. Okay. So here there is a Gilahri. So what is a Gilahri? Gilahri is nothing but a squirrel, and that squirrel has a three children. And what is the children name? Yes, Gullu, Bullu and Tillu. So one day what happens? This Gilhari, that is the squirrel, he has planned to take these three children to the Khet. So Khet is nothing but where? To the field. Which field? Yes, to the corn field. So they all go there. And what did he plan now? Who? This is squirrel. Squirrel has planned for the children that now you all three have become big now. So what you have to do? He has given one corn to each and everyone for peeling it and eating, then chewing properly. So this is what he gives the condition, or say the condition. Then what he does? Then he leaves them there itself and he go and sit on the top of a tree. So this is what till now it happened. Now again what happened? So two children, that is Gullu and Bullu. Yes or no? See, you can see here. Gullu and Bullu. These two children, they have removed the peel, or they have removed the skin of the corn. But Tillu is unable to remove the skin or the peel. Yes or no? So till now we saw this story. So now we are going to continue with the next.
Tillu udas ho gaya. So what do you mean by Tillu udas ho gaya? Udas means sad. So now Tillu, since he is not able to remove the skin of the corn, so he has become sad. Next, Gullu और बुल्लू ने मिलकर टिल्लू का बुट्टा छील दिया. So now what happened? These two brothers, Gullu and Bullu, they joined together. Milkar means they joined together and removed. Chheel diya means removed the skin of butta, that is corn. Whose butta it is? Tillu. Understood? So Tillu's butta, Gullu and Bullu, they joined together and removed it. Yes? Okay. Next तीनों ने सूखे तिनके इकट्ठे किए. So what they have done now? These three children, that is Gullu, Bullu and Tillu, they joined together and सूखे तिनके. सूखे तिनके is nothing but, सूखे means dry. Tinke is nothing but dry straws, okay, or sticks which was nearby. So ikatte means collected. Ikatte is nothing but collected. Okay, suke is nothing but dry. You all have these meanings backside also. Okay, so they collected dry straws, and what they are going to do, we'll see now. फिर गुल्लू और बुल्लू ने आग जलाई. So what they, फिर means next, after that, after collecting this, what they did, they आग जलाई. So they collected everything, and आग means fire. आग means fire. Okay. Next, टिल्लू फूक मार मार कर परेशान. So now they started firing the sticks or the straws. What happened? Tillu फूक मार मार कर परेशान means he is. You think once we fire, the stick will start firing? Because they don't have anything with them, right? Yes. So now Tillu pareshan means he is fed up now. Okay. So he is फूक मारकर. फूक मारकर means he is blowing air in the sticks, but the fire is not able to pick up. Understand? उसकी आंखों में धुआं भर गया. Okay. Now from the stick, what is coming? धुआं. धुआं is nothing but the smoke. धुआं is nothing but smoke. S-M-O-K-E. Okay. So from the sticks, smoke is coming out. So that smoke is filled inside the whose eyes? टिल्लू's eyes. आंखों means eyes. Next, गुल्लू और बुल्लू ने उसके तिनकों में भी आग जलाई. Now what they did? Kullu and Bullu, they helped Tillu for firing the sticks. तिनको में आग जलाई means they helped and they fired the sticks. Next, तीनों अपने अपने बुट्टे बुनने लगे. So can you see they are firing here? Yes. Now what they did? तीनों अपने अपने बुट्टे बुनने लगे. बुनने. Now what they did? They took the corns and they started roasting it in the fire. Bunne means they are roasting it in the fire. Understand? Next, गुल्लू ने बुना, बुल्लू ने बुना, टिल्लू का बुट्टा जल ही गया. So what happened now? This Gullu and Bullu, they succeeded in roasting it, but टिल्लू का बुट्टा जल ही गया. Now जल गया means what? जल ही गया मतलब burned. 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 So it got burned. Next, टिल्लू रोने लगा. रोना means started crying. So टिल्लू started crying. रोना means crying. Next, मेरा बुट्टा जल गया. Now he is saying मेरा बुट्टा जल गया means my. मेरा means my corn got burned. मैं क्या खाऊं? Now he is very much worried. What happened? Now how will I eat this corn because it got burned? Yes or no? Next, गुल्लू बुल्लू ने समझाया रो मत टिल्लू. So now what has happened? गुल्लू बुल्लू ने समझाया मतलब now they are making him understand that don't cry, we will help you in some way. Next, हम दो बुट्टों को बांट कर खा लेंगे. So what they have planned? हम दो मतलब we both. Okay, दो बुट्टों को बांट कर खा लेंगे. बांट कर मतलब sharing. बांट कर मतलब sharing. So now they are saying you don't worry, we will share and eat. खा लेंगे means we will eat. Okay. Next, अपने बुट्टों में से उन्होंने थोड़ा थोड़ा. अपने बुट्टों में से means them. They had their own corn, right? So थोड़ा थोड़ा means from their butta or from their corns they removed few and they gave it to टिल्लू. हिस्सा टिल्लू को दे दिया. हिस्सा means their part. Okay, so they took few corns and they gave to टिल्लू. Now what happened? कुछ गुल्लू ने दिया, कुछ बुल्लू ने दिया. So now who has given? गुल्लू and बुल्लू. They both gave it to टिल्लू. टिल्लू का पेट भर ही गया. So now what happened? पेट means what? Stomach. भर गया means filled. So now once they started sharing, now they ate together and टिल्लू's stomach is being filled up. Okay. Next, टिल्लू खुश था. Now टिल्लू is very happy. खुश means happy. उसने अपने भाइयों को धन्यवाद कहा. Now this टिल्लू, he is very happy, right? Now he has thanked. धन्यवाद means he said thank you. Thank you to whom? To the brother. Who? Gullu and Bullu. Next. So you can write down here itself. धन्यवाद is nothing but help. नेक्स्ट, माँ गिलहरी कोटर में बैठी भाइयों का प्यार देख खुश थी. नाउ दिस गिलहरी, माँ गिलहरी, that is the squirrel which was sitting on the top of the tree. So he was observing everything what was happening down and he is very happy to see how they are sharing and eating. Understand? So भाइयों का प्यार देखकर, so how they are love and affection, seeing their love and affection, her mother is very very happy now. खुश means happy now. बुट्टा खाकर तीनों पेड़ के आसपास दौड़कर लुक्का छुपी खेलने लगे. So what happened? So once all these have been finished, now after eating the butta, that is after eating Tino means Gullu, Bullu and Tillu. They were playing near the. Aspas means nearby. Okay, Aspas means nearby. Okay, nearby. Dodkar means they were running. Dodkar means what? Running. Okay, running. Lukka chupi khelne lage. Lukka chupi means nothing but hide and seek. Lukka chupi means hide and seek. Understand? So from this we end up with the lesson. So what did we learn? Yes, we should be always very affection, and we should share your things with each other. Understand? This is what we learned from the lesson, right? How they are sharing. Can you see? Yes, they are sharing and helping each other, and they are always staying together. This is what we learned from the lesson. So now we'll be starting with the meanings of the lesson. Understand? So first one, Gilahari. First one, Gilahari. What do you mean by Gilahari? Yes, squirrel. Gilahari matlab squirrel. Butte. Butte. Corns. Butte. Corns. Chilna. Peel. Chilna. Peel. Tinke. Straws. Tinke. Straws. Shall we repeat it again? Yes. Gilahari, squirrel. Repeat after me, children. Gilahari, squirrel. Butte, corns. Butte, corns. Chilna, peel. Chilna, peel. Tinke, straws. Understand? Next, come to the next one. Swayam, himself. Swayam, himself. Udas, sad. Udas, sad. सूखे. सूखे, dry. सूखे मतलब dry. खाना. खाना, eat. खाना means eat, eating. Or you for another meaning is you can say for the food also, but here it is eat. Next, धुआं. धुआं, smoke. धुआं, smoke. Next, जलना. जलना, burn. जलना, burn. भूनना, cook. भूनना, cook. आग, fire. Aag, fire. Understand? So now we'll be writing these meanings in the fair note. So I'm just going to send you the pic of the meaning. So you have to write your meanings by yourself. And you have learned Dino ke naam in 4th standard. So once I'll revise it, you have to write this also, children. Somvar, Monday. Somvar, Monday. Mangalvar, Tuesday. Mangalvar, Tuesday. Buduvar, Buduvar, Wednesday. Guruvar, Thursday. Guruvar, Thursday. Shukruvar, Friday. Shukruvar, Friday. Shanivar, Saturday. Shanivar, Saturday. Ravivar, Sunday. Ravivar, Sunday.